Guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Motivational Thoughts by Aditi. Can I request one thing? Please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you're the first one to get the motivational booster of the day. And yes, if you like today's video, please ensure to share with all your friends and family because our objective is to motivate each and every one of us, right? With that thought, let's start today's topic. You must have already seen it in the title, and it is my favorite, and I know many of you like this. How to stay happy, motivated, and positive always. But can we always stay happy? I know, no, it's not possible. Life will keep throwing lemons at us, and it is up to us whether we transform it into a lemonade and enjoy it. Yes, that is the thought I want to bring in. Even if we cannot stay positive always, we know how to deal with those difficult situations or at least maximize the journey of staying positive. You know, when we will transform ourselves into a positive human being who look things in a positive way, automatically we will observe that we will start staying happy. Why don't we cherish what we have and keep cribbing and crying about the things which we don't have? Because we are never satisfied. So what is required is to change certain habits and patterns in our life so that we can transform ourselves into a positive human being and we start looking at things in a positive way. What does that mean? When we see a glass of water, we will not judge that how much empty it is. We will see it that how full it is and it is going to quench our thirst. Okay, let's talk about some of the topics or some of the habits which I have personally followed in my life and it had made a huge difference. First one, habit of getting up early in the morning. I know it sounds very difficult for the late risers. It used to be for me. I used to be the late riser. But trust me, when I started making an effort to wake up early. So for example, you are waking up at 10, try to wake up at 9. If you're waking up at 9, try to wake up at 8 and see what a magic it brings. You go to your balcony or you go to the road, go for a walk, observe the nature. See the birds are chirping, making beautiful sounds. Kids are playing. People are walking on the road. You are walking on the grass and trying to breathe the fresh air and looking at the sun and thanking God. Oh God, what a beautiful life you have given. And then you will get the habit of enjoying what you are getting rather than cribbing and concentrating what you are not able to get it. Next, if you want to wake up early, a very, very important habit is to give you a good sleep. A good sleep, a good number of hours actually helps your body to get that rest, to wake up in the morning full rejuvenated. And I connect the third one with the second. You know, many of us these days have such a, hectic life. We don't even get that sound sleep, right? We might be lying on the bed, but when we are waking up, we are so tired. Third one is some kind of exercise. It can be yoga, it can be gym, it can be normal stretching at your home. Give that a try. You know what will happen? It will start generating some positive hormones in your body, which will start making you happy without any reason. It is so nice. Next, listening to some positive and calm music. Music is something which we love. If you're not getting sleep, for 15-20 minutes, just listen to some calm and peaceful music. You will see you are getting a good sleep. Next, when you wake up in the morning, what you do? You pick up your phone, you start looking at the messages, get overwhelmed, start reacting. Stop. No, don't do that immediately. Read something positive or read some positive quotes which you can fix on your wall and you will see you will get a smile on your face without any reason again. Try that. Next, A habit of following something which you like. At least try that once a week or once a month. Something which you like for yourself. I'm not telling you to, just watch movies and, just impact your eyes. No, something which you like for your own sake, for your own growth. It can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be learning to play any instrument, it can be horse riding, it can be painting. There are so many things which you can choose among, right? Any one thing. Cooking, whatever gives you happiness. Do that diligently once a month or once a week. And you would start looking forward to make it happen in future whenever you're getting time. Or even if you're not getting time, ensure you're getting some time to follow that. It helps. Next, meditation. There are so many videos on YouTube you can go and watch or you can read about it. But I'm telling you to start with something basic. Start with 5 minutes and then you can convert it into 10 or 15 if you start getting a habit of liking it. Meditation or a basic meditation means sitting, closing your eyes and just concentrating on your breathing. That's it. The inhale and the exhale. Play some very soothing music and breathe and observe your breathing. Try that for 5 minutes every day. And maybe in future videos we can talk about it in length. Next, people who love traveling usually are quite happy. And people who don't like traveling, today I'm here to tell, start that habit of traveling. Traveling is just not, taking a break from the monotonous life what you're leading. Yes, it does help in that. Definitely it does. We look forward for that. But traveling means much more. It is evolving as a human being. When you travel, you meet new people, you try new cuisines, you talk to unknown people, you see new things. It liberates you as a human being. And last but not the least, when nothing works or when everything works in both the situation, and which I always say in all my video, surrender. We are here temporary, we all know that. It is like a vacation. God has given us an opportunity to come in this world, lead a very happy and peaceful life, and it is our choice whether we do it or keep cribbing about what we don't have. Always have your goals. And yes, you will achieve. Why not? You will definitely achieve whatever you're looking for. But surrender that God, a beautiful life you have given me. I am breathing, I am leading my life. That's the biggest achievement. And with that thought, I am surrendering to you with this belief that everything will be okay. Everything will be fine. Everything will be peaceful and successful. These habits will definitely bring a huge transformation into a life. Think about what all I told. You don't need to follow all of them. Pick up 2 or 3 which is relatable, and then you will crave to follow all these habits and you will come out with new habits. Please share with me in the comment that what helps or what works for you. With that thought, I let you go and I meet you again. Take care. And please stay happy, motivated, and positive. Goodbye, guys.